Hello traders, today is the 31st of July 2011 and happy weekend to you all. We are looking at a monthly chart of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Okay, this currency pair is in the overbought zone, okay, because previously we have a bullish a butterfly pattern, okay, and now we are in the target zone of the bullish butterfly pattern. Okay, this is the overbought zone. Okay, according to the butterfly pattern, okay, the first condition is the downtrend. We must have a downtrend 0 to A, and then a retracement to B, which is in the zone of 78% Fibonacci retracement level in relation to 0 to A, retracement from B to C in relation to A to B must be either 38.2 or 88% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, this is the criteria for the bullish a butterfly pattern. We are coming to the target zone of the bullish bar pattern, which is bearish, and there was a comment posted on one of our videos regarding a bearish butterfly pattern. Okay, the reason that is that we are coming to the end of a bearish butterfly pattern. We are coming to the end of a bullish butterfly pattern. So if you are coming to the target zone of a bullish butterfly pattern, we can talk about a bearish pattern. So this is just about the reality of the market. We cannot continue to talk about a bullish butterfly pattern if the price is approaching the target zone. That's completely wrong. Okay, so that's why we can perfectly talk about a kind of a bearish butterfly pattern, not the exact theory. Okay, butterfly pattern, bullish butterfly pattern, but because a bullish butterfly pattern is coming to maturity, we can perfectly consider that as a kind of a bearish butterfly pattern. But the bearish butterfly pattern is a different pattern, okay, with its own criteria. But when we are talking about, this is what we are talking about, the reality of the market, a bullish butterfly pattern reaching the target zone. The first target zone for the bullish butterfly pattern is the 1 to 7% Fibonacci projection of the movement from 0 to A, or the 161% Fibonacci projection of this movement from 0 to A. We are now into the 1 to 7% Fibonacci, okay, extension zone or extension target zone for this bullish butterfly pattern. Okay, so we cannot afford to be completely bullish in this overbought zone. If you want to be bullish, we want to try to cross above this level of 10987, break above it, retest it, and turn around. And also checking the fundamental, because we are in overbought zone. The fundamental must support, okay, the technical. Otherwise, we cannot afford to swing trade to the upside in the overbought zone. That's just one of the rules that you must respect if you want to trade like a pro. Okay, very important. Okay, so the situation regarding the dollar, or the indecision in the Senate and also in the Congress, or the blah blah blah, or the nonsense, okay, indecision in the Congress in the United States affecting the dollar. Dollar continue to go down, okay, and the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair escaping the bearish pressure, and it's now it start going up. Okay, you can see that 2 months it went down. Now it turned around here. We'll watch this level here. If it cross above it and break above it and retest this level and continue moving to the other side, we will check. We keep our eyes on the fundamental, especially the United States economy. If the United States economy is performing very well, this currency pair should return back down. But if we see more poor performance of the US economy, this currency pair will just continue to the movement to the upside, because right now the investor, they distrust the dollar. Mainly they distrust the dollar, and second they distrust the euro. But the number one currency that has been unpopular right now is the dollar, followed by the euro. So money is moving out of the dollar into the euro before. Now people do not trust the euro either because of the eurozone sovereign debt situation. Money is now coming out of the euro into the commodity currency pair. The commodity currency pair, we are talking about mainly the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. So a lot of money now is being thrown into the Australian dollar. Australian dollar is now at $1.12. You see, so money coming out of dollar into the Australian dollar right now because of the uncertainty regarding the US economy and all the nonsense political game in Washington. Okay, that's my personal view. Okay, so we are in a overbought zone, as I said before in my video that I posted 2 weeks ago. So this is what we see. Okay, for this the end of the bullish butterfly pattern. Okay, we can declare that bearish in a way that we don't want to take. Okay, we want to pay attention to sell signal. If the price remain in overbought zone and we receive a clear cut sell signal, we will take it. But talking about day trading, that's different matter. We are not trading technical only. We are combining the technical and the fundamental. Attention on the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, the individual financial instrument, the heart of the trading triangle, the news, the fundamental, and the market leaders. Okay, very, very important. Okay, so we are in the target zone for this Australian dollar. Okay, for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Okay, now the 1 to 7% target zone for this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, according to my computer, is at 109.11. 109.11. Okay, 109.11. 109.11. According to my own calculation, the 1 to 7. I can be perfectly wrong. According to my own calculation, the 1 to 7 is at 108.84. But we will follow what my computer is saying here, 109.11. That's the target zone. As I'm saying to you, we are in the overbought zone. We will wait for the price to cross above the overbought zone and to retest it, and the bullish momentum to continue before we can be swinging to the upside. Okay. Now there are two targets for the bullish butterfly pattern. A bullish butterfly pattern. The first target is 1 to 7. If the fundamentals support the movement, the price can continue all the way to 161% Fibonacci extension zone. Okay, the 161% Fibonacci extension zone for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is at 12219. That's my calculation, my own calculation, at 12219. So if the momentum, the bullish momentum continue, if the nonsense regarding the US politics continue, this currency pair will escape the bearish pressure and continue the movement to 12219. Okay, so keep your eyes on the price and follow the price. But remember, we are in the overbought zone. We will be very patient if you want to be completely bullish. But for day trading, we can take bullish trade and sell signal when we are day trading, paying attention to the price itself and using our trading tools. Okay, so this is about the end of a bullish butterfly pattern. We are in the target zone for this bullish butterfly pattern regarding the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Looking at the weekly chart, what do we see? We see that the price was rising nicely here, but if you look carefully here, there was a top here and another top here. For a double top on the weekly chart, we want to have a bit of space between the two tops. You see here, there was a top here and another top here. Pay attention, a top here and another top here. The distance between these two tops is very close. I don't like this kind of double top. When we want to see a double top on a weekly chart, we want to see a bit of space between it. Okay, this is quite okay though, but we will watch whether the bearish momentum will continue. But this depends on the messy situation regarding the US economy. Okay, so I mean, if the Congress and the Senate understand themselves and come to a kind of deal and fix their house in order, and we receive a clear-cut sell signal here, we will take it. Otherwise, the price will just ignore this. The double top is not yet completed; it's in formation now. is being formed. So I mean, if the bullish momentum continue, just ignore this level and continue the movement to seek the next target in the zone of 161% Fibonacci, okay, extension zone. If you want to master the subject of Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci extension, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com to learn to master the subject of Fibonacci once and for all. We have recently posted 2 new pages at www.dayprotraders.com. I repeat, 2 new pages have been posted at www.dayprotraders.com regarding Fibonacci strategies. Okay, so I hope going to the daily chart before I move on to close this video. This is what we see on a weekly chart. Go to the daily chart. We can see that the price was in a kind of a consolidation on this. It was going out for some time, okay, and okay, it was going out for some time on this daily chart. Now we see again on this daily chart a double top pattern, quite wide open. You can see that there was a top here and there was another top here. Okay, now quickly to finish this video, because I don't want the video to be too long. Now moving on to this level here, we see there was a top form here, and the price did manage to go above that previous top. Okay, I'm talking about this line I'm going to draw here. I'll color it to red. What we want to expect, if the bearish momentum will continue, the price must close below this red line. Okay, it's now above it. We'll see whether it's going to just retest. This hammer is quite bullish now. I mean, it went down, people bought it a bit. We'll see whether it's going to continue to this level, but we are giving priority to sell signal in overbought zone. But as I said to you, we are not trading technical only. We are combining the technical and fundamental, using the market, a triangle. Okay, so we are at a hot spot trading zone. So we will keep our eyes on the price using the TSTW24, the TSTWSY08, and the TSTWSYS008 trading system, without forgetting the String 240 trading system. Okay, so this is about the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair, a butterfly pattern coming into the target zone or coming to maturity. We will watch the fundamental, whether the price will continue to reach the next target in the zone of 161% Fibonacci, okay, extension zone. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Thank you.